Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, you need to scroll down and find the option called Preferences. And once you find it, select it. And here look for the watch language. And of course, once you find it, tap on it. And now you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. And after a few seconds, the language will be changed, and then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use phone application to change the language on your watch. And to do that, zoom out the camera, or rather, I'm gonna zoom out the camera to show you the phone, my bad. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open this application. And here we can tap on device. You should see your Active Max on the device page. Now scroll down and look for the device settings and tap on it. And here look for the device language option. And once you tap on it, you will see the list of languages. You can find the language you would like to use on your watch. Tap on it, then tap on OK. And the settings should be applied in a few seconds, like this. Okay, and then you can close the application. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.